Hello and welcome to the PSS program. This is the 5th episode on how to enter data into rediCASE. Step 5. How to enter a service contact where a translator was used. Firstly, log on to rediCASE. On the Search Received Referral page, click on the Details tab of the client you wish to enter a service contact where a translator was used. Once the file is open, click on the Add Service Contact button. Enter all details as you normally would when entering a service contact. Under the Secondary Practitioner option, select Consortium Translator. Under the Service Contact Type option, select Cultural Specific Assistance NEC option. Complete the remaining mandatory fields as you normally would. Mandatory items are marked with an asterisk. Once all mandatory fields have been entered, click the Save button in the bottom right-hand corner of the page. This will return you to the Actions page of the referral. You can now exit the client file.